saying?
Yo, you
you got a new car, bro?
Yeah, man, got a new
Yo,
whip.
what is it, bro? What is it? You got,
Alright, let me tell you. It's a Pajani.
yeah?
Let's tell you, Pajani 7 litre. So let me just give you like a tour around my car.
Alright, bro. So what we got?
We'll start on the outside. So as you can see here, we've got some sponsorships right here. We've got PIAA, John, Street Glow, Brembo. You know how it is.
Bro,
you know how it is.
That's mad. Oh, look at these rims, bro.
Yeah, check the rims out. I've got some Lamborghini rims on it. 18, 20-inch rims. Yeah.
That's mad, bro. Yo, is it AMG, bro?
Yeah, AMG.
Bro.
Yo, keep the camera on me, innit? Keep the camera on me.
Alright, bro, sorry, bro.
Yo, check the logo. So it's got the AMG right here.
Yo, this is legit, fam.
I said it's a Pagani as well, you know how it is. Yeah, and we got a bit of GTR, you know how it is.
Oh, you got a partnership with Nissan, bro.
Yeah, man, I'm sponsored, and these are sponsors, basically.
That's right.
Yeah, so let me just show you the inside of the car.
Alright, bro.
So basically.
Oh, is this for cleaning your car, bro? Gotta keep it clean, innit?
Yeah. We just have to keep it clean. Right.
Yeah.
Basically, I got some
oh shit, it's Porsche, bro.
Yeah, Porsche seats. Yeah, you know.
Oh shit, you got Bugatti.
Yeah. Let me show you. Come on, there.
Come, bro. This looks mad.
Walk down, you know.
Oh shit, it's a Ferrari. It's Ferrari,
yeah. Got some Ferrari side lights.
Oh shit. It's a bit of Supreme in there.
Got Supreme as well. You know, check that.
Oh shit, bro.
You know how it is.
Bro.
You know how we roll.
That's mad. How much you pay for it, bro?
Yeah, I paid like what, 2 million for this, you know.
2 million, bro.
Alright, let me just pop the hood and show you.
Show me the 7 litre V8. Is it what? Do you know what engine it is, bro?
Yeah, it's a 7 litre Bugatti engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this, bro.
Yeah, let me
You wanna pop the hood, bro?
Yeah, let me pop the hood in it.
Bro, you gonna pop the hood for us, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna pop the hood for you in it. Hold on one second. Bro, do you know how to pop the hood?
Yeah, bro, let me try. Bro, you wanna look on the internet? Do you wanna look on the internet?
Yeah, hold on one second.
I think we need to look on the internet. I don't know, bro.
Hold on, 1 second. Yeah, I know how to do it.
Oh, okay, bro, okay. I'll let you do it then.
Hold on.
I'll let you get to it.
There we go.
Oh, shit. Yo! 7 litre V12 AMG, bro!
Yeah, hold on. Where's the, yeah, here it is.
Oh, you know. How much power has it got, mate?
So as you can see, it's a 7 litre AMG V12.
Yeah, mate.
It's got a turbo, twin NOS turbo right there.
How much power has it got, bro?
You know, the car's pushing about, 300 horse to the wheels. And it's got 1,000 kilometers of NOS going through the engine. And you know how it is. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. We got the Pagani,
shit! I didn't see that, man.
Pajani, that's what I call it, Pajani.
Hey, bro, what's this?
Wait, what? Yo, bro, allow that.
Oh, bro, where you going now, innit?
Basically, bro, come sit in my car and I'm gonna put on some tunes in it and I'll show you the subwoofers and that.
Shit, you got amplifier, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Fuck, it's good. Oh, you got Type R mats as well, bro?
Yeah, man, I got everything. Hold on, bro. Let me just,
You got a Bluetooth, bro?
Yeah, bro, it's right here, yeah?
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
How much you pay for that, bro?
About £500 in that, bro.
Okay, no.
Hold on, bro. Let me just, give it a second, and you need to let all these lights go down. Once they all go down, then I can start the engine. You know how it is.
Oh, who taught you that, bro?
I don't know, my friend, Alright, bro, so I'm gonna play you some Imran Khan, let me
amplifier, yeah?
Yeah, man, hold on.
Oh, shit. Fucking hell, that's some good bass, bro.
No, that's not it. There we go. Hold on. Let it kick.
Oh.
Let it kick.
Holy shit! Fucking hell, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa, bro, what was that? Yo, bro, what's that?
What?
What's that, bro? Bro, what's that?
Nothing, bro, it's nothing.
I'm gonna find out, bro.
It's nothing,
Bro, I'm gonna find out. Bro, what the f is this?
There's nothing, man, there's nothing, don't worry.
Get out, let me see. The f does this say?
There's nothing, bro.
We've been in here for months.
That's not my problem, bro. Bro, what the hell is that about?
Don't worry, bro, let's
just chill with the amplifier, bro.
Alright guys, so that was my Pajani. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media links here. They are on screen. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
That's alright.